So today, we will learn about the callback function. A callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and is called after a certain task is completed. In other words, instead of running immediately, it's called back later, often to continue or complete an operation. Callbacks are common in asynchronous programming, where certain actions like loading data may take time, so the main program continues running without waiting. In the context of events, a callback function is a function that runs in response to specific events occurring. For example, in JavaScript, you might add an event listener to an element like a button and pass a callback function that should execute when the button is clicked. We have already seen and worked with this example a lot of times. So today, let's take another example, setTimeout method. In script.js, let's create a function displayMessage. We will use console.log to log the message. This message will be displayed after 3 seconds. Now, use the setTimeout method. This takes two arguments. The first one is the callback function, so add the function name. The second one is the time delay in millisecond. I will add 3000 for the 3-second time delay. Now, if I check the console, after 3 seconds, the message is logged into console. Instead of creating a separate function and adding the function name as a callback function, it is common to use anonymous function or arrow function directly as a callback function. I will simply cut this code, replace it over here, and make it as an arrow function. If you check the preview, it still works as expected. Now, let's take one more example. I will remove all the code and instead create a new function, greet. Add name as a parameter. Inside the function, I will add console.log hello name. Now call the function and pass Bibek as an argument. If you check the preview, you can see hello Bibek in the console. This is an example of function declaration which we have used a lot of times. Now let's see how we can use the callback function. I will create another function, say goodbye. Inside the function, I will add console.log goodbye. Now in the greet function, add callback as a parameter. Then call the callback function. When we called the greet function at the bottom, now it requires a callback function as an argument. So add say goodbye. If you check the preview, you can see goodbye message which runs only after greeting the person. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll listen for events with event listener. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.